Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to check if someone restricted you on Instagram. Alright, let's begin. First, check their activity status. Open Instagram and tap the message icon at the top right. Go to the chat with the person you suspect. Normally you can see when they are active, but if they have restricted you, you will not be able to view their online status anymore. Next, observe the message status. Send them a message in the chat. If the message only shows as delivered and never changes to seen, it can be a strong indicator. This is especially true if you notice they are active elsewhere on the platform but are not opening your messages. Another method is to check comment visibility. Go to their Instagram profile and comment on any of their posts. After that, use another account or ask a friend to check if your comment is visible. If your comment does not appear to others, then it means you have been restricted by that person. So that's basically how you can check if someone restricted you on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.